Hello everyone, this is Danny from AOTO College. Looking at today's topic, you may wonder how AOT's display can create an attractive campus. Let's have a tour, and then maybe you have some ideas. To start this beautiful day, let's get some nice food. Here is our canteen. I can see what is new on this LCD machine. Okay, let's have some noodles. Okay, so it's very quick to order. It's also good for keeping social distance in this very special time. After breakfast, let's go to the classroom. You know, years ago when we used projector or LCD, we have in the class, we need to close all the curtains and wait the projector slowly calms down and wake up. And what's worse, if you were sitting at the corners of the classroom, oh man, you will be annoyed by the visible gaps and reflection on the screen. I would easily get sleepy in such dark and boring environment. But this year, we used LED screens in the classroom. Then the experience is totally different. You can see the classroom is very bright. You can enjoy the sunlight comes from the windows, and the teachers can show pictures and videos on the screen related to the lesson, can attract the students' attention. And if you want to talk to the students in other places, just to have a remote call, and your ideas will go beyond and reach the people in the other side. So after class, I'm going to the library to borrow some books. On this machine, you can check the books you are looking for, borrow and return the books quickly. And also you can see there's some screen on the back. The screens are used for some book recommendations, the author's introduction, and some lecture notifications, and so on. Here comes our studio that we make videos and films. Before 2020, we used screen work. As you can imagine, the post-production work was very heavy. The actors will also felt difficult to get into the mood because they needed to imagine they're actually in that place, but they were just to face a wall. And this year we adopt LED screen, and then the works becomes much easier. The actors can feel that they are in that place with the immersive feeling and involvement. The burden of post-production work was also reduced a lot. In addition to my major practice, I'm also a member of a student union. This afternoon, we're going to have a meeting to discuss the details of organizing a basketball game. As you can see, this is our meeting room. This meeting room was very bright. You don't need to close the curtains when having a room. And the LED screen background also helps the meeting a lot. Now you can see our stadium. The LED screen hanging in the middle and the screen on the back can catch the exciting moments of the game. I'm very expecting for the game. We have another stadium that we hold the outdoor football and running games. And the screen on the back, you can catch the exciting moments and also can see the changing scores. After class, I will go to the gym. Honestly, it was not easy for me before. I couldn't help concentrating on the figures on my bike and wondering how many miles left for me to go. But after staring at screen world, the immersive view on the screen makes me feel I'm not fighting with myself in the gym, but enjoying a very relaxing hike outside, enjoying the blue sky and vast grassland. So then time goes very fast. After exercise, let's have a work. You can see there are some intelligent lighting poles on the streets that lights up the night. You can see the screen in the middle of the lighting pole can show some notifications like a Happy New Year, congratulations, the lecture notice, and some emergency call. And there are some nice designs in the bottom part of the lighting pole. You can have an emergency call, just to press the button, or you can charge your phone. Actually, it's a charging pile. The last place we're going to see is the command center. Here you can see all the places in our campus. And the screen is working 24 hours, 7 days to catch the real situation of our campus to ensure the safety of the campus. The last place we are going to see is our auditorium. We're going to hold an anniversary this weekend. There are many wonderful places to show, and the big LED screen on the back of the stage will provide you a visual feast. So after the tour, you may find LED screen is everywhere. You may find them attractive and want to bring such solutions to your own campus. And next, let's invite Joe. He will give you more details about the LED solutions. Welcome, Joe.
Hi everyone, this is Joe from AOTO. Okay, I think now you must be very impressed by the previous modern and colorful university life Danny shows to you, which is filled with lots of attractive and intelligent visual devices. I'm very proud to say that all those devices are from AOTO. Yes, AOTO as the world's leading intelligent visual information solutions provider, we can offer more than you expect. For example, the visual devices, including the LED and LCD devices, the hardware and the software, composing a total visual information solution for our clients. Okay, then let's review on the total solution this university is applied with. There is a video wall in the control room monitoring the safety and situation of the school and detecting all the status of the devices. In the classroom, meeting room, and auditory, we have all-in-one LED solutions here. Apart from this, the LED walls make the library, the gym, the film school very intelligent and attractive. Besides, the interactive LCD screens in the canteen and smart pole makes a modern university. To be more specific about some products that we're using, firstly, there are two types all-in-one LED solutions. The SID all-in-one, the thinnest product in the market, only 90.8 mm thickness, the CV all-in-one with interactive touch functions integrated. In addition, the CV series product supports unlimited size spacing, which is used in the control center, the film school, the library, gym, and other places. Apart from those video wall products, AOTO, as the visual information solutions provider, also provides the hardware and software for clients. In this university, AOTO patented control devices and the control system are applied for every screen here. One more thing to mention, AOTO controller ranges from 2K to 64K, and they are applied for worldwide projects. For example, AOTO 64K controller is used for a London project with a total 3,000 square meters immersive LED screens. The self-patented LED screen and control system can have a very good compatibility, reducing any unexpected issues. Some of you may have some worry and think that such a large size video wall is very complicated and too professional to operate. Don't worry and don't have such concern. All the solutions we propose here is very convenient and easy to use. Here, we take the SID all-in-one for example to see how convenient and easy it can be. SID all-in-one LED is also the mainly SID all-in-one is also one of the mainly used products for the university application. The standard size includes 120-inch, 150-inch, and 180-inch for different size places. SID is very easy for installation and usage. We break the previous concept of individual cabinet level installation and change it to fast modular design in panel delivery to ensure the easy handling and assembly accuracy. The installation of a 150-inch SID can be finished by 2 persons in 1 hour. You can just put it on the ground or make it wall-mounted. After installation, you don't need to have complex debugging. You don't need too much time. Just plug, press, and play. Moreover, we apply the materials used in the aviation industry to SID, so it has a strong strength and good heat dissipation. The weight is also reduced by 50% compared with the counterparts. In addition, it is also equipped with multiple external interfaces. We can connect the external audio devices. There are also several types USB, HDMI, and Internet connection interfaces. It is super convenient for use. Just one click, you can share the content from different devices simultaneously. So when you're in the classroom, meeting room, library, or auditorium, it should be very easy and convenient to express and exchange your minds. After class or after meeting, a scan code can be generated, so our students or attendees can scan and save all records. So from this example, you can see that the AOTO video solution is very convenient for the university market. AOTO has offered lots of visual information solutions for many schools around the world, including the Sun Yat-sen University in China, Asia Institute of Management in Philippines, and many other schools in the world. We have won a lot of good reputation from clients because of the high reliability and quality. Today, we are very honored to invite our partner from ESCO, who operates several schools projects in Philippines. She will share some ideas about the LED displays in the education market. Let's welcome.
Hi! Good day! Welcome to ESCO Unified Solutions Incorporated. I'm Janine, and today I will discuss to you what is ESCO and how it helps the organization. ESCO is one of the leading technology solutions provider, established on July 7, 1980.
ESCO Unified Solutions Incorporated offers a lot of solutions, from video wall processor, audio, video conferencing, room booking, digital signage, wireless presentation, workplace analytics, brackets, screens, network, unified communication, network security, CCTV, UPS, control system, PA system, servers, LED, and structured cabling.
The ESCO-AOTO partnership started in 2019. Both companies worked on strengthening the relationship to offer quality solutions to our clients. We work on key opportunities in different industries: education, corporate, government, and service providers. The team saw potential of AOTO's technology and how this can be beneficial to our clients. We define the different advantages of each product and how this can be a significant element in our solutions. 2020 was a very different year for everyone, but we managed to close several key projects. This shows that with great technology, partnership, industry insight, and hard work, we can do great things during the most challenging times. As more LED manufacturers are out in the market, pricing is usually the first thing that end users see. This is something that AOTO and ESCO's value comes in. It is essential that the client see beyond the price and see the actual value of the solution. It's more important than the monetary cost. Another challenge are project deadlines. We can feel how AOTO is working overtime just to meet our clients' delivery deadlines. We have not experienced any delays from AOTO. And we can see that they are hands-on in supporting us in our project. From the design stage up to implementation, we are supported 100% by their local and overseas team. We can see that the most people are visual learners, thus investing in these visual displays are essentials. From classroom, auditorium, broadcasting rooms, to creativity rooms, we can see that these fantastic displays should always be present in them. Even on hybrid learning setups, LED walls will be essentials in the education sectors. We would like to change the current learning system from typical webinars through Zoom, Teams, or other platforms to be more professional and more effective way of online learning. With AOTO's technology, we are able to minimize the moire effect on display during broadcasting. This is a significant feature that most end users should consider, as hybrid systems tend to use LED walls as backgrounds. This is one of the many test cases that shows the value of AOTO in our designs.
And with that, we are your strategic partner, one that can guide you through the process of workplace transformation.
Okay, welcome back. Thanks a lot. Thanks Jenny for her very professional insight about the education market with the LED display. AOTO actually have also done a lot of projects in this market. Here I want to share some cases with you. The school I stand in front of is Sun Yat-sen University in China. It is a famous school, ranked top 8 in China and top 150 in the world. We have offered several visual solutions here. For example, the library, the conference hall, auditory, classroom, etc. In total, 7 screens, 200 square meters. And you can see some pictures here. Is 2 screens in 2 different auditories. Yes, the previous modern university life Danny introduced is kind of simulation of this actual installation. The visual information solutions we provide for this university satisfy our clients very well. The teachers, they like our devices because it's very convenient and easy for use. They don't need to spend too much time to operate it. They just need to plug, press, and play. So when they're in the class, they can save a lot of time and go to the teaching work directly. Or after class, they can generate a scan code. Students just need to scan, then they can save all the records of the class. For the IT department, they think our total solution and the complete solution help them a lot. It's kind of turnkey solution. So they don't need to find other parties. They don't need to find another suppliers to provide such devices. It's help to save a lot of problems, save a lot of time. For the operation guys, thanks to our high reliability and quality solutions, it helps them won't be burdened by any other unexpected issues anymore. Here are some pictures relating to the project installation. You can see we send our very professional team to do the on-site installation to provide the best support to our clients on the delivery, on the installation. And during the on-site installation, we will also provide the on-site training for our clients. So you can join our training. You will be expert also. Okay, by the way, during this webinar, if you have any further questions, please just drop your questions to our Q&A chat. Apart from this Sun Yat-sen University application, AOTO also offers lots of visual information solutions to other schools. You can see here the Zhengzhou University in North China and the Southern University of Science and Technology in South China. You can see 2 all-in-one LED screens here. Also in some high school and primary schools, AOTO solutions are applied. Here are 2 installations, meeting room and auditory are applied. Of course, more and more projects are on the way. So we think it's a very potential and promising project. We call for partners. Let's dig into this market together. By this opportunity, we have very good news to everyone. Our online campaign for SID and CV all-in-one LED solutions is coming now. We have lots of promotions and vouchers to be grabbed. All you need to do are only 3 steps. Firstly, follow our official LinkedIn account, AOTO Electronics, and like this post about the online campaign. Secondly, post the CV or SID product images and recommendations with the hashtag AOTO all-in-one on your LinkedIn account and tag your 3 friends from this AV industry. The last step, send your post screenshot to AOTO Electronics. Then you can get 1 voucher valued at $1,000. When the post is more than 30 likes, you can get 2 vouchers with in total $2,000. And when the post is more than 50 likes, you can get 3 vouchers with in total $3,000. Wow, it's a huge promotion event, and I even want to get these vouchers for myself. So guys, take out your phone and take actions. By the way, two things also need to be mentioned about the voucher. First one, our voucher can only be used for the CV or SID all-in-one project, and the project amount needs to be over $30,000. And this promotion event will be ended at the end of March with a 31st March 2021. So the vouchers need to be used before this date. Okay, thanks. That's all about the visual information solutions we can provide for universities. Attractive technology make an attractive university. Then we will go to the Q&A part. Please just give us a few minutes to prepare it. Talk to you later.
Welcome back. This is our Q&A session. We are happy to have Joe Dennis here to answer our questions. You already know Joe. Dennis is our technical director. So if you have any question, feel free to ask in the chat window. We are going to pick up some questions and answer on the stage. Here we go. Let's pick up the first one. The first question from Milan Shahani. Am I pronounced right? The first question is, how well does AOTO control work with Crystron? Dennis, I think maybe you can answer this question.
Thank you for the questions. And as you know, that in AOTOs, it's a whole platform deliveries. AOTO own control systems can provide the central access control to our all-in-one solutions by accessing using our API of RS-232 protocol. So that's easy and convenient.
Yeah. So AOTO own control system is very strong. And the next question is from Joseph. He asked in USA, a friend from USA. Do you have LED video wall installed in some universities for our references? Joe,
yeah,
maybe.
Okay. Yes, of course. It's a very good question. Yes, thanks, Joseph. Yes, of course. We have several references in the about universities in the United States. And recently, we just finished a new installation in California. But due to some, the confidential requirements, we cannot disclose here. But of course, you can contact your sales manager. Maybe he can show you around, or maybe we can go on site together to check this beautiful screen. And apart from the references in the United States, we have also a lot of the university references around the world. For example, just I mentioned in my presentation, the Shenyang University in China and the Asia Institute of Management in Philippines. Just our partner shows the case study. So of course we have lots of the school university the school references around the world, and we believe that we will have more and more such references. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. You're welcome to visit our projects. And next question is from a Japanese friend. The name is Yoshi Yamazaki. Her question is, what's the available sizes for all-in-one solutions? Dennis,
you can answer this question.
Yep. Yep, they're asking about the sizes. For the CV series, we provide three sizes. You can see that we are using 108, 136, and 163. And for SID, we go 120, 150, and 180. So you can see that we provide options every 10 inches from 108 all the way to 180. So it can be fit into any size of the medium size conference room, so they can pick their favorite.
Yeah, so very flexible sizes. You can choose depend on your situation. How about the next one? The next one question is from Paul. It said, if we order them, would them come from USA or directly from China?
I can answer this question. From USA, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. We have the local company in United States and also the service centers in United States. One is in California and another one is in New York. So if you want to order the SID or CV all-in-one screens, we have the stock in the United States. So the lead time of the products can be within 2 weeks. And by the way, as my presentation, we are now having the SID and the CV all-in-one online campaign. So you can join us to give some posts on LinkedIn and get some vouchers. It can save a lot for you. Yes.
Yeah. So no worry for the lead time and delivery. Just to place your order.
Yes.
Okay. So the next question is, a friend from the Harish Bast. He said, how can I get to see the demo? Yeah. I think he's very interested in our product.
Which country does he from?
I
don't know.
I can tell from the name. Yeah.
Okay, it's a very good question. AOTO has lots of oversee the local companies, the local service centers, and also so we have lots of demos around the world. And apart from this, we have some exhibitions with our local partners. So don't worry. Even if you're from, for example, Europe or USA, you can have demos, whatever in our local office or in our exhibitions with our local partners. You can go there and to see the lots of beautiful screens from AOTO. Yes.
Thanks,
if you want to get the specific information, you can contact your sales manager or drop an email to us. We can give you the information about this.
Yes, thank you.
Back to Danny.
So, Harish, maybe you can tell us which country you're from, so we can organize the demo to you as fast as we can.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So, as Joe and Dennis introduced today, that this webinar will give us an idea of how to create an attractive campus. Maybe this can give you some ideas. We believe this is a market with a huge potential opportunities.
Yes.
So we are looking forward to working with you. And we still have so many questions that due to the time limit, I think we are going to stop here. Yeah, maybe you still have some more questions, feel free to contact us or follow our social media. So we are looking forward to hearing from you. That's all for today. Thank you.
Bye.